if we adjust the servo valve diameter using the K-scale.
That shifts the moment arm too far outboard. We have to maintain the center of gravity.
The first stage separation occurs here. We've optimized the thrust vectoring.
But the pressure drop on the second stage, does that align with the CFD data?
It does. We confirmed that yesterday.
The burn phase is stable, but look at the drop-off here. Yeah.
It's steeper than expected before burnout.
Check the injector pressure telemetry for this sequence.
All parameters are green for casting. The lining is secure.
Confirmed on my end. We are ready to proceed.
Keep the pressure steady. We're almost clear. Confirmed. No resistance. Looks good.
Okay, the scan looks clean. No significant voids or density variations detected in this segment.
Check the tolerances on section 4, near the weld line.
They look good, but let's run the laser tracker again to be sure.
The filament winding process ensures maximum structural integrity. The high-strength carbon fibers are Torque sequence initiated on the throat insert.
Reading green on alignment, proceed to specification.
Pressure checks on manifold B are complete.
Copy that. Moving to secure the forward section clamp.
Left, right, easy now. Watch the clearance.
Copy that. Moving slowly. Easy now, bring it down 5 centimeters. Steady on the guides. We have contact.
The pressure reading is stable at 2,000 psi.
Noted. Interstage fasteners are secure.
Torque wrench indicates green.
Hydraulic lines secure. Alignment confirmed.
Initiating simulated flight sequence, pitch and yaw.
Telemetry nominal. Actuators responding within tolerance. Confirmed.
Inside the furnace, the heat shield undergoes carbonization, converting the resin to pure carbon at extreme temperatures.
This is the precision machined carbon carbon tip. The surface has smooth fit finish.
Torque is good on engine 3. Check the diagnostics.
Okay, running the sequence now. Looks nominal.
Interface gap is nominal at all points.
Confirmed. Proceed with final locking sequence.
Torque is confirmed on bolt 7.
Readout shows green across the board.
Okay, lower it slowly. Watch the alignment on the far side.
Looks good. Keep coming down.
Bring it down 50 centimeters.
Roger that, coming down slow.
Watch the guide wire on the east side.
All right, easy on the tag lines. Keep her centered. Down, down, hold it right there.
Trajectory stable, green for launch.
Roger that. Checking weather parameters. T-minus 60 seconds. Status check complete.
Roger that. Looking good from here.
T-minus 4 minutes and holding, all systems green.
Roger. Trajectory holding nominal. We are go for launch.
Target holding trajectory, still well within the corridor.
Noted. Flight path remains nominal.
Impact point reads at 34.9 north, 117.8 west. Deviation is minimal.
Confirmed. Recording the final measurement now.
Based on the telemetry, the stage separation was nominal.
The test is an unqualified success. Well done, everyone.
Crane operator, you are cleared to rotate to the south pad. Very slow now.
Keep it coming up vertical, looks good.
We have significant micro-cracking at the 7 o'clock position.
Noted. Are the depth measurements consistent?
Verifying with the gauge now. Okay, the old unit is clear.
Bring in the replacement. Make sure the alignment is precise.
If we adjust the thrust vectoring here, we reduce the oscillation significantly.
But what does that do to the silo interface during?
Check the auxiliary power levels on panel 4.
Reading stable, Chief. Moving the high tension line now.
A missile designed in the 1960s, manufactured in the 1970s, modernized dozens of times,
And still on alert today, in 2026.
Yeah.
The Minuteman III isn't the newest weapon.
Yeah.
It's not the most sophisticated.
Subscribe and share. This is Global Arms Factory.